shown you the calculation using rectangular component. So example, now if you want to continue but using trigonometry method. So we have this, we have draw this one, you get the first one, the value, okay, and then you have this point B, okay. You have 1, 2, 3 component, so you can use also the trigonometry method. So I'm checking from this one, we have TAB, M, and so on. Okay, so we have two unknown, which is TAB and M. Okay, so now we have TAB plus TBC equal to plus 9.81 M equal to 0. So if I want to use the trigonometry, I will start to draw the TAB first, TAB plus TBC. Okay. So this is the starting point, TAB 45 degree. Okay, the value I didn't know. Okay, the TAB. So this is TAB, and then add the TBC, which is 30 degree here, somewhere here. 30 degree TBC equal to 1471.5 Newton. Okay, and then you have this one, which equal to 0, meaning that you have this somewhere equal to 0. This is 9.81 M. So for equilibrium, the start and end point is same point. Okay, whereas in resultant we have resultant goes from start point to end point, but now in equilibrium the start and end point is the same point, goes there and go back to same point. Okay, now you have this one, just fill up all the information that you have. If this is 45, go straight, so here is also 45. Okay, 45 here. Here is also 45, and then 45, 90, and then you have 30 here, so you should have 60 degree. Okay, so you should have 60 degree there. So you know all the angle inside, and you know you have one known here. Okay, so now I can start by solving using maybe sine rule. So I take the easiest one, sine, this one, 45 plus 30, which is 75 divided by this one, 9.81 equal to, sine take something that we know, so this one with this one, sin 45 divided by 1471.5 Newton. So you have one unknown here, which is M. Okay, so from here you can have M equal to, okay, sine 45 equal to, divided by 1471.5 equal to, so you have sine 75 divided by answer equal to, and then you want to divide this one, this goes there, and then M divided by 9.81. Okay, so you have the mass equal to 204.9 Newton. So same as that one, we have the value of M. Okay, you can continue using sine rule, or now you already know these two, which is M here, M, and this part, so you can use also the cosine rule. So this is your unknown, so you can use the 60 degree as a cosine rule. Or if you want to continue using sine rule, you can also. So just pick up something that you already know. Your sin 45 divided by 1471.5 equal to, now you want to know the TAB. So sine 60 divided by TAB, so you have TAB equal to, okay, so TAB is equal to sine 45 divided by 1471.5 equal to, okay, so you have Sin 60 divided by answer equal to 1802 on 2. Okay, you have same answer here. Okay, so now I've shown you using both method, rectangular component and trigonometry. You see from this one which one is easier for you. You can apply that method during your test and any other calculation. Okay. Okay, so another example here is exercise 3.8, page 37. This one. Okay, you can see from this one. Okay. 3.8, page 37. Okay, I hope that it is clear. Okay, so from this equation, the question said a 6 kg mass at E is supported as shown. So ME is 6 kg. Determine the tension in the spring and the tension in cable AB. So you are required to find the tension here of the spring and tension of this one is point A. Tension of AB. So T, I call it here T spring. So T spring equal to what? TAB equal to. Okay. Okay. So now you need to choose your point of analysis. Okay, where it can give you information that you need and at the same time solving the problem. Okay, in this case we have several points which is C and B. Okay, if you notice at B we have one same cable goes through pulley, so only two same magnitude of force. Okay, which is TAB. Here we have from B we have this is same cable. So TAB equal to TBC. Okay, we have same cable. So that in this particular example, we can analyze the point C. So we go to point C. Okay, the first one I will have mg, which is 6 kilo, 6 times 9.81. Okay, and then I have the cable, which is from here. Okay, 60 degree. I know that this is actually the TBC, but I know that TBC equal to TAB, so I can put directly this is as TAB. Okay, and we have another one, spring at same, in this case same as in cable, which is outward of the component, meaning that the spring is in tension. Okay, spring, we can call it directly the T spring. Okay, so from here obviously you see that you have two unknown, which is TAB and TS. Okay, maybe you use rectangular component, so the equation is TAB plus TS plus 69.81 equal to 0. So the first unknown TAB, direction this way, 60 degree, TS direction, and then this one direction downward. Let me calculate directly. 69.81, 6 times 9.81, so you have 58.86 Newton. Okay, so you have these two unknown, TAB and TS. So obviously you can solve this problem. Okay, so I can choose in any direction I want to go. First, 0 is 0. Okay, either you can go into X direction first or Y direction first, doesn't matter, but you have to check first. Let's say if I'm using the X direction, I have first unknown TAB and the other unknown is TS. I have two unknown. But if I'm solving from Y direction first, I only have the TAB, this is 0, equal to this one, so I get the answer. So now it is easier for you to solve from Y direction first. Okay, so this one I have to resolve into Y and X, this direction, this is already in X, this is already in Y. Okay, so I'm solving first from y direction. So this direction positive, sigma Fy equal to 0. So you have TAB. Go through 60 to x, so x will be cos, so the other one which is y will be sine 60, okay, plus this one is 0, minus 58.86 Newton equal to 0. So you get that here now, the TAB equal to, okay, 58.86 divided by sine 60, you have 67.97 Newton. Okay, for TAB you solve the first question, where is the TA? Okay, so of course by using the knowledge that one same cable pass through pulley, we have same tension. If you didn't memorize that or didn't understand that, you will stuck here. This is as TBC and you didn't know how to relate the TBC with TAB. Now you know, it become very simple. Okay, so please make sure that you understand that one same cable pass through pulley, we have same tension. Okay, the second direction now we can solve into x direction because we already have the TAB. So this direction is positive, sigma Fx equal to 0. Now I have negative TAB. This is TAB, this is 67.97. Okay, using this one, x will be cos 60 plus here direction into x positive. So TS plus this one y direction, so equal to 0, equal to 0. Okay, so you only have one unknown here, which is TS equal to, okay, answer equal to 67 times cos 60, so I will have 33.98 or close to 33.98 Newton. Okay, TAB. Okay, so the only difference here is the question asks what is the tension. Okay, so determine the tension in spring and tension in cable. So we have the tension in cable is 67 and tension in spring is 33.98 Newton. Okay, same, this one you see we have 1, 2, 3 forces. You can also try to use trigonometry method. You will get the same answer.